On Reinders.com, your account overview provides key information about your account and activity. You can access your account overview by either clicking on your name in the Quick Links section, or by choosing My Account from the orange drop-down menu in the main navigation. On the My Account page, you will see pertinent information such as your contact information, user role, and account number, as well as your default billing and shipping addresses. You will be able to edit your contact information and change your password from this page. The Orders and Pay My Bills page will show a list of your orders and open invoices. It will also give you an option to make a deposit to your account, and will provide you with the ability to manage your company's payment methods. See our online bill pay tutorial video for more information on this feature. A requisition list is a list of items that is used to create orders at a later date. Users can create requisition lists for items that they order frequently, and use them to periodically reorder items. Please see our Requisition Lists tutorial video for an in-depth overview of the requisition list feature. You can manage the contact information attached to an order with the Order Contacts section. You can assign an order contact during the checkout process. The address book is crucial for profiles that order products to multiple locations. Store all your addresses in one place. Setting your default address is as easy as choosing Set as Default. Our Setting Default Shipping and Billing Addresses tutorial video provides a great walkthrough of this process. You can view all of your stored payment methods on the Payment Methods section. You can edit your account information on the Account Information page. This includes first and last names, and you can even update your password. The Company Profile page will show you your account information, legal address, contacts in the company, including your company's administrator, your payment information, and shipping information for your company. These can be updated by users with a master role in your company. You can see all users in your company through the Company Users page. You will be able to see their name, ID number, email, role, and status. If you are the company administrator, or have a master role, you will also be able to add or remove users from your company. On the Roles and Permissions, you will be able to see the different types of roles created in your company. This includes Company Administrator, Master, Accounts Payable, Limited, and Restricted. Company Administrator and Master users are able to check invoices, pay bills, view pricing, place orders, and add new users to your company. Check out our Roles and Permissions tutorial video for a deeper look at this feature.